Yo, hello YouTube viewers. This is a video tutorial how to fix your high DME from the PS4, the PlayStation 4. On my PlayStation 4 I didn't have no signal anymore on my TV screen, and the PlayStation was working. So what I did, I unboxed the whole PlayStation 4 and I get this piece. Well, the port, I'm gonna show it to you. It's like, here it is. Sorry for the bad resolution. I have an old phone. Well, what I did, if we get closely, I'm gonna show it to you. You're gonna see this plastic. It's loose, and it's because all the time when you plug and unplug your cable into it, it give it a little bit damage. Well, if you have luck, it's not damaged. But what is the trick? You see this iron and this iron. I put it back like this. Normally it was straight. That's because you put it and you plug it and unplug it the whole time. Now what I did, I used this. Yes guys, I used this. Well, you must do it uh, well, very secure, because you don't want to damage your PlayStation 4. So what I did, I went to like that, and I give it a little bit a hush, you know. Well, you you just check it. When you see this iron is straight, your plastic, you put your plastic, you damage your plastic. Well, just put it like this way. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you my PlayStation 4 is gonna work, because I did this earlier for a friend and it worked. And it saved you a lot of time, a lot of money. Well, try it and be careful. That was my tutorial to fix the hdmi input from the PlayStation.